And this is part 2 of the game. Okay, last time we did memes, now we're going to do air horns. So first normal one. Next one. Okay, next one. Okay, that was all. Now we'll get, since we're only 1 minute into the video, 1 minute and 33 seconds, we're going to do Halloween now. First one. That hurt in my ears. I'm going to turn it down. This is not recommended for little kids under 7, because I'm just recommended, because this is Halloween stuff. And it could give you a nightmare. That hurt my ears. No, it is so close. Oh, shit. Not recommended for kids. Okay, that's all. Now we're 3 minutes into the video. Let's do guns. That's a sword. I feel like we just got to the store. I don't think so. Yeah, we have. Okay, that was the end of guns. This is so many. Now we're gonna do ghosts. Okay, now this is for Mario. Okay, that's all. Okay. Okay. Here. I'm gonna say, reason that I have a beard, just pretend. Yeah. Okay. No messing about that. We're just messing. Okay, we're back to the start. Okay. I'm afraid that once we actually start a new one, it's gonna take forever. So for part 3, it's coming soon.